Hello all, this is Gopika Parekh, teacher by profession, and I've done my graduation BSc from Kota, Rajasthan, and living here only. I have a kid of 6 years, and my husband is in business, his own business, and I have joined this association in March Reboot Workshop, and I will just say something about the feeling which I have gathered while listening to the videos and audios that it helped me a lot in gaining confidence in myself to know what can I do more in my life and how I can deal with things very positively. It changed my mindset a lot. It helped me that I can be a brand of my own. I can dream a lot. I can dream big, main thing. It helped me that we can have a business, we can have a business of such kind which can give us time also and money also in future, because in this day-to-day life we are really not getting time for our family friends. We are just living a lifestyle which is very monotonous. It's going on and without any emotions, nothing, because many times we cannot quit the things, we cannot quit the uh, job, you can say responsibilities, and we have to quit many things of family and functions and everything. And then the thing is that then also you're not getting what you dream for after working for so many hours, for so effort putting in. So I will really, it's an I can say it's a type of thing which I have understood कि you can achieve a lot if you work hard a little, you give your time. And what I'm learning here is time budgeting, money budgeting, although I'm a woman and we all are very good in that. So but yes, time management also we know, but in the way you all are teaching us, that is incredible. And I am learning and learning and will learn a lot, and hopefully will do best. Thank you so much.